How to enable NVIDIA DLSS. So if you want to enable NVIDIA DLSS, so one of the things running a DLSS actually requires is having a NVIDIA RTX graphics card, and you also have to have the DLSS compatible game which is able to run that. So the first step is to basically make sure your GPU drivers are up to date. If you don't have the NVIDIA GeForce Experience downloaded, go ahead and download it from here. You can simply follow this link and you will have download now option under your GeForce Experience. So click on download now and download this. Then once you have it downloaded, we can go ahead and open it. So when you've downloaded it, it will look like something like this. I'll be showing you. It will be something like this. So once you've downloaded, you can simply open it. So make sure that you have the latest version of the GeForce Game Ready driver. Now you can click up for some updates. So if you have some updates, then you can simply go for updates and update your application or update your NVIDIA. Here on the upper left, you will have home option, right? So under that, you will have drivers and it will take you to your drivers. So from here, if you don't have your drivers, then you can install your drivers, or if you have not updated your drivers, then make sure to update your drivers on your NVIDIA. Now, however, I've got some newest version, so it's not giving me an option to update. And once you've updated, the next thing or the next step is basically to figure out if the game you want to play actually supports DLSS. So what you can do is you can simply go for a website. For example, I'll be showing you the website here. You can simply come here to this website, and if you scroll down, here you will have all of the information. Right here it will give you a list and you can work out from here if your game is supported. So you can simply open any game that you would like and then you can check if it supports or not. So it will be pretty much same for many games. So what you can do is just want to go to your settings and then look for the graphics settings. Now from the graphics settings, if you're playing if you are playing the Modern Warfare 2, you want to select the quality, and under your quality you can simply choose NVIDIA DLSS. If you have that option, you will have that option under your graphic. So that's how you can enable your NVIDIA DLSS. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. For watching.